Is there anyone here who likes books? Raise your hand if you like books. Oh, is there anyone here who likes horses? Oh, you guys are so in the right place this morning, because this morning we're going to talk about books and we're going to talk about horses. We have some very special horses that you're going to meet today from Gentle Carousel Miniature Therapy Horses. And our horses normally work inside hospitals and hospice. If somebody's not feeling very well, they go right indoors. We actually started because we were working with children, but I was a teacher and a school principal working with special needs children, and the horses really seemed to connect with them. It started with just helping neighbors, and now it is, we have volunteers that help us work with about 8,000 to 10,000 children and adults a year. You guys did a fantastic job. We've been lucky to have horses. With our regular Reading is Magic program, we have horses that look like all the classic children's books. And that was important to us because we wanted books that children could go to their local library and find. But it's a good thing for a horse too. I mean, they're not out working in the heat. They get loved and hugged and they go home. So in the horse world, it's a pretty nice life.
They're buddies. They enjoy loading up into the trailer. They like coming in together. They really know what's going on, and they like the buzz of all the children and the music. You can tell they're excited to do a program like this.
It started with just helping neighbors, and now it is, we have volunteers that help us work with about 8,000 to 10,000 children and adults a year. Magic loves boys.
We have super turnouts. We get children into the libraries, they check out books, they sign up for library cards, and it seems to be a great kickoff for the summer reading programs.
The reason that we started doing costumes, the very first costumes that we did, it was because of Haven Hospice here in Lake City, and there was a little girl who wanted a tea party. That was her request. We had volunteers that made tuxedos for the horses, and all her little friends came in princess dresses. And it was just a moment, that family will remember. And the kids would be shocked to see how they actually behaved when they're off duty, because they act like little children,
They're outside in the pasture.
And they love to run. You just see them tearing around, running and playing and jumping. We say it's been a good day when they come home and they've got lipstick stains all over their faces from being kissed so much.
Did you have a good time today, Peanut? You did. That's good. Did all the children behave? Have you been interviewed before? Okay. You're kind of shy about interviews, aren't you? There's one question the children ask, though. Are you going to come back?